Alright, we've got a 99 Cavalier motor that's going into a sand rail buggy thing, whatever. So basically we had the factory 2 computers, the black and the blue connectors coming out of there, and then coming over here we have fuses for the 2 gray wires are for the injectors. You have the PCM, the ignition coil, and some other OBD2 port and whatever. And then over here we've got fuses for all those, and you have the fuel pump and the fan. And then you have the relay bank, which has the main fuel and fan relays on there. Coming off there, we have a small pink wire for switch ignition, which powers up the computer and everything. Big 10 gauge wire going over to the battery. Coming off of the over here, coming back this way, we've got an OBD2 port and a blue LED check engine light. And the way it's set up with a 1K ohm resistor in series with it, when you have a code, it'll glow extremely bright, but when it's running, it'll be very, very dim, but it'll still be on. That way you can make sure that everything still works. Coming over here, you have your O2 sensor, main ground wire, and then the ignition modules, a large connector there, all the injectors, coolant temperature, oil pressure sending unit, mass airflow sensor, map sensor, TPS, idle air control, and then the alternator wire. So that's pretty much about it. Hopefully that wasn't too shaky. And this is all the stuff that we took out of it, all those wires and all the junk that's out of there. And then that's the rest of the chassis wiring, which we didn't use at all.